How to see Apple Music history. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure that your application Apple Music is up to date. If not, head over to your App Store and then update it. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open the app. Once you have opened, make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Now what you want to do is, you simply have to head over to your Listen Now section, or you can move into the song that you want to play. So once you are in this page, what you want to do is, you have to swipe up the screen, and then the history will be available to you. So there you go, these are your Apple Music history. Well, the Apple history refers to your listening activity, including songs, albums, and playlists that you have played. So which means that these are the songs that you have played before. All the songs or the playlist that you have played will be stored in this section. You can check this history anytime you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can see your Apple Music history. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.